Welcome back to another episode of the Tales of a Thunder Trader series. It's the 30th of October, and today was a pretty nice day actually for a change. We finally managed to get some good price action, and I managed to finally hit a nice almost 4 hour trade. And yeah, I'll be covering it in this review. Stay posted for that nice trade. And yeah, let me take you to the charts. Alright, this is the charts. We have a slightly different setup this time because I wanted to show you why my bias was long for this session. This is the 4 hour candle that closed during the session around 10, at 10 exactly. And on the next candle was where I took my trade, or it started I think actually already on this candle, and then finished it on this candle. But as you can see, price broke the structure and closed above it pretty strongly overnight. And I was looking for price to rebalance into this fair value gap and then move higher and take out possibly these highs of London and Asia, and maybe even test yesterday's high, but we didn't get there, and it wasn't necessary because it dived down quite a lot before pushing back up. So it was fine for me to just take this part, and as you can see, it was a 3.7 hour trade, and I didn't even have to target all of these highs in order to get this R. As you can see, I managed to pick quite a nice trade because right after I took my profits, it started to move into the other direction. So pretty nice trade all in all. Let's take a cleaner look at it. On the 1 minute, as you can see, we went down into this liquidity zone right here. If you can look on the 15 minute, this is this low here. It was just the last kind of low that I would have wanted to be taken, because if you look at the 4 hour fair value up that I was targeting, is already lower than 50%, and I didn't really want to have it go lower if it were to keep pushing higher, right? So that played out pretty well, and then all of these fair value gaps formed, and we had the first presented fair value gap here, and I told myself that even though I could have probably gotten an earlier entry here of one of these inverse fair value gaps, I decided that I was gonna only take an entry if the first presented would have inverted, because the 15 minute and the 5 minute were not looking pretty at all. This was the 15 minute of the opening, and then this is the 15 minute right after. It did not look very nice, so I was looking for a lot more confirmation than I normally do. I would have probably just taken one of these fair value gaps right off the gate, but the 5 and 15 minutes were just not looking very nice, so I decided to wait until the very last fair value gap was inversed, and then took the trade off of that, entered on this candle I believe, and actually got filled a little bit lower than my entry. So it's not quite 3.7 R, it's actually a bit more than 3.7 R, as you can see. But yeah, price almost managed to give me a little scare here as we tested my, well, this was my first take profit kind of, and price was like kind of teasing me here a little bit, and I was like, bro, don't give me that again the way it did it to me last week. But then once we retraced a little bit, hung around a little bit, price then moved through my first take profit and my final take profit instantly at the same time, and I didn't even have time to take partials here, which is, it is kind of a weird spot for taking partials, but I was getting nervous because it was just not, it was not pushing higher, so I was getting nervous. But I'm thankful that I didn't actually place a limit order there and rid myself of possible more profit that I gotten in the end. But yeah, maybe I should have taken profits around here. This is a 5 minute fair value gap here. the small one down here. I wanted to take profits here initially, but then it was very strong, so I decided to just let it run in order to not get rid of some of my profits. And well, here we are, $750. This is day 3, 2 more left, 2 more winning days. It took a lot longer than I was hoping for, but you know, not everything's gonna go according to plan, especially in trading. But now I'm pretty happy. Well, this is usually the kind of R that I'm going for. 3.7 is quite a lot, but 3R, 2R, maybe sometimes even 4R is usually what I go for, and not for these smaller kind of trades that only gave me $200 like the whole last week. So I'm happy that I finally managed to get one of these better trades instead of just sitting around with these 200 1R type trades, or break even. And yeah, finally get back to my winning ways. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that we continue this way tomorrow as well. And yeah, I wish you guys happy Halloween tomorrow. And yeah, let me know if you took any trades today. Let me know how they went. And if you guys do enjoy the content, it would be amazing if you could hit the subscribe button. That way we can stay connected throughout this whole journey and you would never miss a video. That would help you and it would help me. So let's help each other out, right? And other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice rest of your day wherever you may live, and see ya.